What Ally Bank address do you need for a wire transfer? Hook. Have you ever found yourself staring at your bank's website, scratching your head and wondering, where do I even put this address for a wire transfer? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into the Ally Bank address maze to find the one that's right for your wire transfer needs. Building context, wire transfers are like sending money through a high-speed digital highway. But before you hit the send button, you need to know the exact address of the off-ramp. This is where the Ally Bank address comes into play. The Ally Bank address dilemma. Now, here's the twist. Ally Bank doesn't have a single physical address that you can use for all wire transfers. It's a bit like trying to find a specific house in a sprawling city without a street address. Understanding wire transfer types. To navigate this labyrinth, we need to understand the different types of wire transfers. There are primarily two, domestic and international. Domestic wire transfers. For domestic wire transfers within the United States, you will typically need to provide the following information. Beneficiary's name, the person or business receiving the money. Beneficiary's bank name, the bank where the recipient's account is located. Beneficiary's bank routing number, ABA, a 9-digit code that identifies the bank. Beneficiary's account number, the recipient's account number. Ally Bank's role in domestic transfers. In the case of Ally Bank, you will usually provide the beneficiary's information directly to Ally. The bank will then handle the routing of the funds to the recipient's bank. International wire transfers. International wire transfers are a bit more complex. You'll often need to provide additional information like SWIFT code, a unique code that identifies the recipient's bank internationally. IBAN, International Bank Account Number, a standardized international bank account number. Ally Bank's role in international transfers. Ally Bank will typically provide you with the necessary SWIFT code or IBAN for international transfers. You'll then include this information along with the beneficiary's details when initiating the transfer. Tips for a smooth wire transfer. Double-check. Always double-check all the information before sending the wire transfer. Even a small error can cause delays or complications. Confirm with beneficiary. Communicate with the recipient to ensure they have provided the correct account information. Understand fees. Be aware of any fees associated with wire transfers. Ally Bank, like most banks, may charge a fee for this service. Time frame. Understand the typical processing time for wire transfers, especially for international transfers. Conclusion. So, to answer your initial question, the specific Ally Bank address you need for a wire transfer will depend on the type of transfer you're making. Whether it's domestic or international, Ally Bank will provide you with the necessary information to complete the transaction smoothly. Call to action. If you're still unsure about the Ally Bank address you need for your wire transfer, don't hesitate to contact Ally Bank customer service directly. They'll be able to guide you through the process and provide any specific instructions. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.